I want to ask the lady who recited a Persian poem to come here once more and recite it again. Miss Aisha Khalil of Lahore Islamic Support School.
During my lifetime, I liked those.
Given the circumstances prevailing in today's Pakistan, we could say the current Pakistan is an outcome of Iqbal's thinking foundation. But it's a pity that Pakistan we see now is far from what Iqbal and Muhammad Ali Jinnah wished it to be. We, as Iqbal's family members, are therefore struggling right now to give back to the youth the thoughts taken from them.
Iqbal's school was established in the year 2012. The aim was to return, in quite a simple and clear way, to the adolescent Iqbal's thoughts and messages.
For this very purpose, we established Iqbal School. Dr. Javid Iqbal and I are among its founders. Dr. Javid Iqbal, along with his children, made much effort in this regard.
Iqbal's family saw the necessity of establishing such a school. They witnessed Pakistani people getting weaker educationally, literally, socially, and morally, day by day. Such unpleasant conditions made Iqbal's child and grandchild, Iqbal Salahuddin, establish the elementary school.
शान आंखों में न जचती थी जहां दारों की शान आंखों में न जचती थी जहां दारों की कलमा पढ़ते थे हम छाओं में तलवारों की.
Today, there was a lecture competition in Iqbal Elementary School.
Pupils demonstrated their technical and scientific ability to us.
We were extremely amazed.
We held the competition to support our youth education. We were aided by the Islam Support Society and the Iqbal Elementary School. We really tried to demonstrate school children's capability during the competition. And for this very reason, we selected Iqbal's poems about children. And we tried really hard to tell the children various implications of those poems. Because children are better able to express their thoughts when they fully comprehend the themes of those poems.
Iqbal is not worried about his destructive past. Should this soil get a little moist, oh Saki, it can be auriferous. Children excellently delivered lectures and recited Iqbal's poems.
Iqbal's thoughts are important to young people because right now Western civilization has separated religion from worldly issues. They claim religion is a personal matter. Limiting religion to persons implies the absence of morals in various aspects of life.
इकबाल की सीप मजहबी लगाओ
जोशीली शायरी और अनथक मेहनत ने मुसलमाना ने खिन में आग लगा दी। सोए हुए मुसलमान बेदार हो गए और आपकी सरप्रस्ती में मुतालबा पाकिस्तान का नारा बुलंद किया।
The dominant motive of Islam is knowledge. There is no page left behind in Quran where knowledge has not been promoted, not only for men but also for women. But most only for women. Because a woman raises his children, a woman makes a nation. When Iqbal was in Europe, he saw most of his Muslim fellows are acting upon the guidance of Western civilization. This hurted Iqbal so much. But he didn't quit, but he didn't stop until he didn't promote his religion in West, his culture in West, and his language in West.
Though the main aim of religion is the promotion of morality and human values, the world will be void of humanitarianism and full of animalistic attributes if religion is not taught to children. All wars, bad manners and terrors prevail the world over just because morality has disappeared from the world.
हवाए बेआबां से होती है कारी जवां मर्द की ज़रबते गाजियाना हमामो कबूतर का भूखा नहीं मैं कि है जिंदगी बाज की जाहिदाना।
आज मैं जिस उन्वान पर तकरीर करने जा रही हूँ वो है हमारे प्यारे कौमी शायर अल्लामा इकबाल रहमतुल्लाह अलैह और फ़लसफ़ा इस्लाम पर। इस्लाम का मकसद जिंदगी को किसी एक सूरत में जामिद करना ना था बल्कि इसे लादना इनकलाब और इर्तिका का रास्ता बताना था।
This interesting and valuable conception has been done by Iqbal as the philosophy of self. The ultimate reality, according to Iqbal, is the nature of self. But the self doesn't lie apart from the universe. खुदी की जलवतों में मुस्तफाई, खुदी की खलवतों में किबरियाई, जमीन और आसमान और कुर्सी और अर्श, खुदी की जद में है सारी खुदा।
नौजवानों को तो इकबाल का ही पैगाम है।
Iqbal's message is addressed only to the youth. He calls them royal falcons.
का नाम देता है।
As held by Iqbal, the royal falcon has 5 characteristics. Iqbal wants the youth to catch hold of falcon's characteristics as much as possible.
Let me tell you that Iqbal, a poet of international fame, is recognized as the greatest poet of the Indian subcontinent in this century. His message is a guiding light to the world and is likely to acquire greater significance with the beginning of the new millennium. It is a messianic message, insistent and emphatic and beautiful in language, inspired by the deepest mystical experience.
हाथ है अल्लाह का बंदा है मोमिन का हाथ, हाथ है अल्लाह का बंदा है मोमिन का हाथ, गालिबो कार आफरीन कार कुशा कार सा।
नाले बुलबुल के सुनूं, नाले बुलबुल के सुनूं और हमातन गोश रहूं, हम नवा मैं भी कोई गुल हूं कि खामोश रहूं।
The 5 good attributes of the royal falcon as seen by Iqbal are flying high. So Iqbal wants the youth to fly high for sure. The second attribute is keen eyesight. The youth can fly high only if they have keen eyesight. Its third attribute is that it does not build a nest, nor does it follow richness. The fourth attribute, it loves solitude, as it is a source of creativity. The last attribute as told by Iqbal of the royal falcon is, it does not eat the prey hunted by others.